Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Justin Young. I am a software engineer with over 4 years of experience, and lately I've been seeing increase of layoffs in the AI sector, and a lot of people seem to not understand what. Well, a lot of people seems to be anxious about the future and what it might hold as AI becomes more used. I want to give my personal experience with AI and what I think is really going on. And it's just a short little rant that I personally believe in. So AI right now is leading to a lot of layoffs in the tech sector. And I've noticed this personally as I've seen some people in different sectors of where I work at being laid off. Now, I'm more of a staff software engineer. I'm a T3 software engineer. So I'm not that concerned about being laid off, but I am concerned about the junior and T1 and early career people losing their jobs. But I want to add a caveat into what I think is really going on. I don't think there's a grand conspiracy or anything like that. I think AI just a profitable, well, just a useful technology. But one of the issues that I see with AI is the subsidization of AI data centers. So for me, at least, AI um, is built off of a lot of subsidies, a lot of subsidizations that the US government gives these AI data centers. And back then, when we would subsidize new technology, it would bring a profit somewhere in the not so distant future. But now it doesn't seem like it would ever bring in a profit. It seemed like the main goal is to replace people. Then you get into another topic where is people okay with being replaced by AI when are people okay with being replaced with are people okay with paying taxes to a machine that is meant to replace them and take away their meritocracy? This is something that isn't being talked about a lot, at least from what I'm being shown in my algorithm. I don't see a lot of people speaking on the subsidies that AI take and the fact that people are paying taxes to subsidize something that will eventually replace them. And to me, I think this is more of a dark part of the AI replacement is that the fact that people are subsidizing away their meritocracy. People are paying taxes into a subsidy that will take away their meritocracy. Another issue that I see with AI is the energy cost. Energy is also being subsidized, it's largely subsidized. So when you look at how much we are subsidizing AI energy use, along with us subsidizing just the building of these data centers, it don't seem profitable because it doesn't have a massive economic impact in terms of increase of consumption that normally an economic impact would bring. This economic impact of increased consumption, which is what all normally was the case, isn't here. So it gets to a point as to when is it cost beneficial to make these new AI data centers or subsidize AI or subsidize energy when the main goal is to for a rising new form of technology to increase consumption. give people better jobs, increase overall consumption. But we're not doing that. We have that field increase of consumption. Now that gets into another idea as to how these AI companies plan on making a profit when they are causing a decrease in consumption in terms of the consumers, which is the average American. And we're seeing this play out in terms of debt, increase of debt, but that's a whole different topic. But but the overall increase of consumption with new technology that normally comes about isn't being done with AI. It's mostly debt field consumption on a national level. And this is because we are subsidizing something that doesn't increase the overall people economic benefits. This is what I've noticed in terms of whenever someone speaks about AI or make a video about AI, it's never talked about how much it is reliant on subsidies. And what if somebody comes in and cut away all of these subsidies for these AI data centers? How would this how would the industry survive without all of these subsidies? It seemed like it's not well thought out. It doesn't seem well thought out. It seemed like it's more of a rush without a major plan. Unlike the internet, unlike housing, or even the railroad, it doesn't seem like there's an overall plan for AI to actually make a profit. It's not like anything else. I remember the housing bubble. I even somewhat remember the AI bubble to a degree. I was 5 years old. Well, I was young, but I remember hearing about it, and I know a lot about it. So it doesn't seem like the same. It seems more like a waste of of just financial of what I'm trying to say. It seemed like a waste of not time, but it seemed like a waste of money to a degree. Because how different is it from hiring someone for $12 an hour to work at McDonald's versus subsidizing an AI data center that might cost even more on average to queue the message from that McDonald's location and queue it back and send it back? That seems like it will just cost more money if you don't subsidize it. It doesn't make sense, is what I'm trying to say. It don't seem like it's well thought out. It doesn't seem like it's going to turn out good for the average person. It seems like a debt filled industry. I don't see how this can continue to hold up. And people say the same thing about social media. I still say this about social media. It doesn't seem like it will work. It just seems so debt filled. But that's just my thoughts on it. I don't know for sure. Maybe it will be solved. I doubt it, but maybe it will be solved eventually. But this is just how I feel about it. And again, I got 5 years of experience as a software engineer. It is good. It can probably replace me for the most part, but it doesn't seem like it's financially beneficial. It doesn't seem like a invention that would change. Well, it will change everything, but it doesn't seem like it'll change everything economically. It seemed like it would just be used in small niches, probably software engineering and just in engineering disciplines. But I don't see the cost benefit for I don't see the cost benefit for putting it inside of a McDonald's or as a hotel or in a hotel or to monitor like electricity. It doesn't seem economically beneficial. That's just my take on it. If you want more of these takes, let me know. This is something new on this channel, and I will see you guys.